Installing handles or knobs is the last step in refacing your kitchen cabinets. Take your time on this task, as once you drill a hole to mount a handle, there is no going back. Apply painter's tape to the face of your door in the location you intend to mount the handle. This tape will allow you to mark out the hole location without actually having to mark the painted surface of the door. Using a template to mark the position of the holes needed to mount your handles can be a good idea, as it will help ensure the consistent placement of the handles. Use your template to mark the 2 holes required for the handles you are using. A scrap piece of wood is perfect for using as a backdrop when drilling your holes. Place the wood in the inside of the door behind the holes you will be drilling. This wood helps minimize chipping as your drill bit breaks through the back of the door. Use a 3/16 of an inch bit to drill the screw holes. A bit with a pointed tip is ideal, and be sure to drill straight into the door, not at an angle. Once your holes are drilled, remove the painter's tape and install the handles. Use a screwdriver to tighten the screws to the handle. If using a screw gun, extra care should be taken to not over-tighten the screws, as doing so can damage the thread inside the handle and the face of the door. Use the painter's tape to protect the face of the drawer where the handle will be installed. Start by measuring the center point of your drawer face. Mark the center and then measure the distance to the left hole and the right hole required for your handle. Now measure the center point on the height of your drawer face and mark where the vertical center meets the horizontal hole mark. Where the 2 intersect is your screw hole location. Drill both holes, taking care to ensure that they are drilled straight. Take care when tightening the screws to avoid damaging the handle and door face. Handles and knobs add additional style to a cabinet refacing project. Take your time when installing and always double-check your measurements. Once installed, your project will be complete and you can take full credit for the beautiful kitchen transformation. To keep up to date on our how-to kitchen cabinet refacing content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.